My name is Luke McDermott with VAEZR Studio. Our team works with contractors who are under pressure to train crews faster, more efficiently, cut rework, and stay out of OSHA's crosshairs. Extended reality technology is enabling contractors to run safer, more efficient job sites. So not only are your people safer, but you can also see a considerable ROI on your training investments. The short version, immersive training works. We blend video and extended reality so teams practice real scenarios like hazard recognition and decision making before they hit the site. That means safer jobs, fewer mistakes, and measurable adoption. What's great is that this technology is very portable and can fit nicely with your toolbox talks. It ensures that training is engaging and delivered consistently every time.